Racing Jack fans, first time at Fox Raceway here in Paula, California. Oh my gosh, this place is like a country club. Unbelievable. Let's take a little tour around here as we get set for the NGPC series. Look at the size of some of these jumps. We got the minis out there right now. Always nice to come to a track that has a facility like this. These minis getting after it. Way to go, guys. Get some air out there. Check it out, guys. We got Team KTM ready to go. This is their home track. Right down the road from Temecula, looking for a big win. Factory Beta team ready to go, ready to tear up beautiful Fox Raceway. Dare's been here since Monday. Team SLR Honda getting ready to go. Sir, how would you assess this track, Fox Raceway?
What's up, guys? Well, it's been a little while since we've been here. We raced here in, I think, 13. You would think it'd be pretty motocrossy, which it is. You got a nice motocross track that's, you know, worldly known for racing the Paula National and everything. But up in the hills, there's a lot of rocks, a lot of dust, like some true off-road enduro style racing, which is a little bit different than, let's say, 29 Palms and the other races that we've been doing. So yeah, it's awesome to bring this dynamic to it, and yeah, it's going to be a whole different aspect of racing to come to NGPC.
Good luck, you guys. We'll see what they can do here, Team SLR Honda. This place is definitely cool. Moto Mom leading the points in the women's category, Moto Kay Kay. How you doing, Moto Kay Kay?
I'm doing good. I feel good this weekend and been training a lot on this track. Obviously, it's only like an hour drive for me, but yeah, I've been feeling good. Last weekend, or the last race weekend, was really good for me, so excited. So.
How would you describe this track to somebody who's never been here?
The moto track is really fun. A lot of big jumps, and definitely gets really ruddy here, but yeah, the back section, it's super rocky. I think this is the most off-road race you've had. Super dusty, but yeah, definitely had to be good with the rocks this week, so it's a little tricky, but we'll get it done.
Good luck, Moto Kay Kay.
Thank you.
Take a look at this place. Pavilions, great view, soil prepped to perfection, all the amenities you'd ever want. We're gonna talk about some crazy elevation. Check it out here, Fox Raceway, Paula, California. Some massive jumps here. They're setting up on the off-road course today. They'll run about 10 minutes a lap, but they'll have to contend with some huge obstacles. Got the road to recovery bike down here going to Cade Tinkler Walker, who was injured in the Baja. Last minute adjustments on Colton X Machine. The Cowboys are here. Yes, they are. Here comes one of the most dominant teams in the dirt bike game right now. Dante Mateo Oliveira getting suited up. The KTM cow livery is spotted. Big air out here in Paula. Congratulations on the big win today, Cole Martinez. Got a question for you that everybody wants to know out there. With everything that you've done, what is your best advice on how to get better in this sport? You succeeded in supercross, motocross, and now NGPC. What would you tell people? What would be your best advice for everybody watching on how to improve?
Just believe in yourself, don't quit on yourself, and stay close to the people that support you. Those are the ones that are there for you, and I couldn't do it without these guys, and you know, all the friends and family that I've made around the world are, you know, true supporters, and I can count on them whenever.
That is super awesome and a great motivational message. Now, in terms of getting faster, pure speed, what do you think is the best way to train? How would you recommend somebody who's up and coming, who wants to get faster? What would you tell them to try to be like you?
Work on your weaknesses, keep growing, and then try and ride for off-road. Try and ride a little bit of everything: moto, rocks, enduro. Try and get that experience of everything there is to offer. So, you know, when you come to these, you can put all that to use.
That is great
advice. That's what these are really becoming, is a little bit of everything. So it's quite cool to see, and it's good for the sport.
Throughout your career, what have you had to work on the most? What's been the toughest for you? Some people it's the start, some people it's the corners.
For off-road, it's been the enduro section. That's why this week, because this win is pretty sweet, because I know how good old Dante is, and you know, this is a full 6-day style track, you know, with the enduro. So, you know, thank God I have some good experience now with 6 days, and then to be able to put it into good use. The Euros are good in this, so you gotta. That's been the most I've had to work on, is the technical motocross style stuff.
And
so
what is the best way to do that?
ride a lot of it.
Right.
Ride
No,
a lot of it.
no substitution for seat time.
There's
huh?
no shortcuts for any of this stuff. So
Amen. Congratulations, man.
Thank
Great
you.
job, Cole. Well, how about it? What a great run by Cole Martinez, and some advice, some pointers for you out there. I do like it, guys. Thanks so much for following along with this channel. We are growing. Check out all our content. If you like another video, here's one for you. Subscribe right in the middle. You know, if there's anything fast racing, great stories, we're in. Share with a friend. Racing Jack from Paula, Fox Raceway. Rolls on.